If you've ever admired the lush green lawns across the street and wondered how to achieve that for your own yard, you're in the right place. Achieving a vibrant lawn isn't just for the lucky few. With the right care and techniques, you can turn your yard into the envy of the neighborhood. Here are some top tips to maintain a green and healthy lawn. Number 1. Aerate your lawn. Aerating is crucial for a healthy lawn. This process involves using a tool with sharp tines to remove small plugs of soil, allowing water, nutrients, and air to penetrate the ground. This is essential for preventing soil compaction, which can stifle root growth and reduce drainage. Aim to aerate your lawn annually or more if your yard is older or has compacted soil. Number 2. Water properly. Instead of a daily sprinkle, give your lawn a deep soak less frequently. This approach encourages deeper root growth, making your grass more resilient to drought, disease, and pest. For most lawns, watering once a week during summer should suffice, but adjust based on weather conditions and soil type. The optimal time for watering is early in the morning, allowing the sun to help roots absorb moisture more effectively. Number 3. Don't mow your lawn when it's wet. Mowing your lawn while it's wet can harm the grass and leave your lawn looking patchy due to uneven cutting. Wet grass clumps together, smothering healthy blades and promoting thatch buildup beneath. Always allow at least 24 hours after rainfall or watering before you mow to ensure a clean, even cut. Number 4. Cut the grass at the right height. The ideal mowing height varies by grass type, but generally, keeping it between 2 to 3 inches is beneficial for most varieties. Mowing too short can scalp the lawn, leaving bare patches, while too long can prevent water from reaching the roots, risking drought stress. Regular mowing that moves no more than 1/3 of the blade at a time promotes a healthier lawn. Number 5. Use natural lawn fertilizers. Opt for organic fertilizers available at your local garden center, or make your own from composted garden and kitchen waste. Natural fertilizers enhance soil health without the harmful chemicals found in many commercial products, making them safer for wildlife and the environment. They nourish your lawn naturally, helping it thrive and stay green. Number 6. Keep your mower blade sharp. To ensure a clean cut and a healthy lawn, it's crucial to keep your mower blade sharp. Dull blades can tear grass, causing damage and potentially leading to disease. Sharp blades mean more efficient cutting with less strain on the grass and soil. Experts suggest sharpening mower blades every 1 to 2 months, especially during the growing season. Number 7. Remove weeds regularly. Consistent weed control is essential for a lush lawn. Weeds compete with grass for nutrients, water, and sunlight, and they can harbor diseases that might spread to your grass. For effective weed management, remove weeds by hand or use gardening tools like hoes or cultivators to pull them out by the roots. This approach prevents weeds from seeding and provides long-lasting results if done regularly. Number 8. Grass cycle your grass clippings. Instead of disposing grass clippings after mowing, leave them on the lawn. This practice, known as grass cycling, allows clippings to decompose naturally, returning valuable nutrients like nitrogen back into the soil. Clippings act as a natural mulch, helping to retain moisture in the soil, improve its texture, and reduce the need for additional fertilizers. Number 9. Take care of pet problems. Pets are great companions, but they can wreak havoc on your lawn, especially when they use it as their personal restroom. Pet urine can cause brown patches and kill grass, detracting from your lawn's beauty. To mitigate this damage, simply flush the affected areas with water immediately after your pet does its business. This helps dilute the urine and prevent grass burn. Maintaining a lush green lawn not only enhances the beauty of your home, but also can increase the value. With these 9 essential tips, you're now better equipped to keep your lawn in top condition. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share with your friends. For more gardening and lawn care tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Keep your lawn looking great and happy gardening!